Hi, Mike Fuller, Product Manager with Hyundai Construction Equipment. Today we're going to be showing you the all-new HX210A and all the wonderful features and benefits it provides. Whether it's residential, commercial, site development, laying pipe, just to name a few. Over the next few minutes, we're going to show you why this is the next 21-ton class machine for you. The machine comes standard with a 42-inch bucket, has a lifting eye off the back. It's great for lifting objects in the field as well as towing. The machine comes standard with a dual lock quick coupler. However, in this case, the customer chose to order without, so that's an option as well. The machine comes standard with dual acting piping, provides a flow range of 26 gallons per minute up to 116 gallons a minute at a pressure range of 1,450 PSI up to about 5,100 PSI. You'll notice you have remote grease banks here on the left side of the arm for ease of serviceability. Talking about lighting, you have two lights up on the boom, one on each side, two up on the cab, as well as two on the lower frame. Hyundai has some of the best lighting in the industry today. Also, the next time you're looking at a Hyundai machine in the HX series, take a look at the tip on the arm and boom pivot point, as well as the boom foot, and look at the cast. You won't find a larger, stronger cast with the smoothest finishes we provide. Keep in mind, these are the same people that build the largest ships in the world. And of course, we've all rode it in a Hyundai automobile at some point or another, so we know the quality there as well. It's no different with equipment. Taking a look at our undercarriage, we offer 3 track options in a triple grouser. 28-inch pad, 32-inch pad, and a 36-inch pad. Coming on back, looking at our lower frame, you'll see that we have a rock guard molded here in the front to protect the idler. We have 2 rock guards bolted. Now I want you to take a look at the track rollers. We have 9 track rollers across the bottom. The majority of the competition in this class have 8. This gives us a smoother, quieter ride and helps prevent detracking. Up top, you have 2 carrier rollers that are dual flange with nice wide cutouts to help take the material down and away. You also have a 2-piece step here on the rear as well as the front. The outside's bolted so you can remove it, but this keeps your shin away from the track when you're getting up and down on the machine. Coming on back, looking at our final drives, Hyundai makes all their own final drives, cylinders, as well as swing motors. This takes out the middleman and makes business better for everybody. In this compartment, we have our air intake filter. Has a nice splash guard built into the door to keep it protected when the machine's being pressure washed. Inside this compartment, you'll have a pre-cleaner on top, your dual stage air cleaner, a battery disconnect, easy access to your fuses and relays, as well as your pattern change valve to change between ISO and SAE controls. Inside this compartment, all of your coolers are vertically stacked with screens. You have your batteries here, your overflow for your radiator, and just down below you have your windshield washer fluid tank. Coming around to the rear of the machine, we're going to look at the counterweight. The machine comes standard with a heavy counterweight, weighs in at 9,920 pounds, gives it one of the best lifting capacities over the side as well as the front. The 210A weighs in at just under 50,000 pounds, making transportation a breeze, helping you get the machine from job site to job site. Comes standard with a rear view camera. Coming around this side, behind this compartment, you'll see that the 210A is equipped with a Kawasaki pump. It's also equipped with a Kawasaki MCV. You have easy access to your secondary fuel filter and water separator, your remote mounted engine oil filter, and your primary fuel filter. The machine's also equipped with a pilot accumulator and has a pilot filter just below the valve block. You have test ports here to check pressure as well as flow in the field on all your pumps. Have a hydraulic sight gauge here. One thing nice about the new HX210A is we've given you wonderful access to the DEF pump, the fill port, and the DEF tank. As you can see, you have wonderful access here. You can come around to the front. These 3 steps open with gas struts, supports the steps nicely. You have a nice storage bin here, and You also have access to the components for the depth tank as well from this angle. Taking a look at the engine on the HX210A, the machine is equipped with a turbocharged Cummins B4.5 that produces 170 net horsepower. It's Tier 4 final and Stage 5 compliant. It receives its almost zero emissions via an SCR, DOC, and a DPF. There's no need for manual regeneration. It's all passive regeneration, so there's no downtime. Now we're going to take a look inside the cab of the HX210A. The machine comes with ISO certified rocks, has a kill switch just below the seat here at ground level. In the event of an accident, someone from ground level can stop the machine. Coming up into the cab, just like with other HX series excavators, you have our 8-inch full color touchscreen monitor. The machine is also equipped with auto safety lock function. If you're bumping into any controls when you engage the pilot system, you're not going to be able to operate anything. You're going to have to get off those controls, lock it out, and re-engage it. You have nice wide foot pedals, and as we spoke earlier about the auxiliaries, you have proportional controls on both your left and right joysticks, as well as a foot pedal option here in the floor. You have a total of 8 heat and AC vents. Just like with the previous HX series, you have a nice hot cold box here to the left of the seat. Adjustable armrests. You can move just the seat forward and aft, or you can bring your controls along with you. It's an air ride seat. It's also lumbar equipped as well as heated. Your heat switch is back here on the left-hand side. You have a digital hour meter, so you can read the hours on the machine from ground level. AM, FM, Bluetooth capable radio with hands-free calling. And just like with the big brother, the HX220A, Hyundai added haptic control here as a third option to control the monitor from inside the cab. The HX210A is equipped with EPFC, which is electric positive flow control, just like the rest of the HX 20-ton class. We'd like to show you real quick how it functions. Go to menu, then mode, combination speed settings. Here you can adjust your load sensitivity, low or high, based on the operator's feeling. Truck and balance, you can give priority to swing or boom based on application. Here we have boom arm balance. We can give priority to arm or boom based on application. And we still have arm speed, which is our arm regeneration. And it can be enabled or disabled from this screen as well. Another thing to know is automatic engine shutdown is now standard on the A series. Here you can scroll right or left and adjust when you want the engine to shut down. For example, here 7 minutes, and that can be for a one-time case, or you can do it always. Coming up to work mode, then click the orange box up here where it says breaker. Here's where you adjust from single to double acting. Also, lifting mode is now standard with the A series. What lifting mode does is it increases your pressure, your relief pressure, by about 380 psi, lowers the engine RPM to reduce flow, and gives you better controllability when lifting objects. Another thing to note is when you select single or double acting, you can set your pressure and flow from within the monitor as well. By clicking on each tab, slide this bar, you can move the arrows. Click OK once you've selected. And you can save by hitting settings here. You can save up to 10 single acting settings and 10 double acting settings within the monitor, and name each one of them per attachment, per operator, so on and so forth. Thank you for taking a look at the HX210A with us today. And don't forget, the machine is equipped with a 3-year, 3,000-hour bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year, 10,000-hour structural guarantee. It's also equipped with HyMate, which is Hyundai's telematic platform, and it's free for the first 5 years. If you need more information on this machine or other Hyundai construction equipment, please visit our website at hceamericas.com or visit a dealer near you. Thank you.